Well, we will start with the unit number 1 of Mathematics 2, angles and triangles. Now we will describe what is an angle, but you need to know first that the angle is part of geometry, and geometry is a branch of mathematics that is the idealizations of space. Important here, an idealization is how you can understand the space. Yeah, you can use point, lines, planes, etc., etc., etc. But you need to know that for that course we will see the plane geometry, only 2 dimensions. Yep. Okay, now we will see what is an angle. Angle is the opening in a plane comprised between 2 rect lines. Yeah, this is, for example, this is an angle because this is a rect line, another rect line, and need to understand that the angle is a space, that space between that rect lines, and need to consider that the rects will be intersect between them. Yeah, because you have 2 rect lines with the same angle that are parallels. That rects will be never intersect. Yeah, so again, an angle is the space between 2 rect lines that intersects in one point. The origin, or that point, is called vertex. Yeah. Okay. Now we will see the measurement systems. Exist 3 different systems of measurement. I will use the paint. I will use paint. It's like my whiteboard. Yeah. I will describe the first one, the Sexagesimal system. Yeah. Circular system and centesimal system. Yeah, exist that systems of measurement of the angles. Only we will see that systems. Yeah, why the centesimal we will not see, because that system is for a big, very big measurements of an angles. For example, I don't know, the angle of the Earth and the Sun. Yeah, it's a very big measures of an angle. So for our everyday situation, we use one of them. Yeah, the system that we use is the sexagesimal system. Yeah, this is the reason it's the most educationally system. Circumference is divided into 360 parts called degrees. Yeah. Well, again, we will use paint. You need to remember that the angle, a full angle, is all one rotation. Yeah. The sexagesimal system sexagesimal. This is 9 degrees, 180, 270, and 360 degrees. Yeah, this is the system that we know. Yeah, so you can start the measurement, the right left. Yeah, this is 0, and a full rotation is 360 degrees. Yeah, well, this is a system that we know. Yeah, we will use that system for everything related with angles. Yeah, but exist two notations for that system. We are used to the decimal notation. Yeah, I don't know, something like 23.4089 degrees is something that we understand. Yeah, it's easy for us understand that, because we know that that angle is like 23.5, almost a half degree. Yeah, but exists another notation that you can express using degrees and minutes and seconds. Yeah. What is a notation? Notation is a way to write the same angle. Yeah, the same measurement, but expressed in another way. Yeah, it's the same measure, but expressed to another way. Yeah. So if exist two notations, you need to convert between that notations. Yeah. To understand that, to understand the sexagesimal notation, you need to understand that 1 degree are equal to 60 minutes. Yeah, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Yeah, so if you want to convert, I will use again paint for that. Yeah. If you want to convert 12 degrees, 50 minutes, 23 seconds. Okay. This is the formula that we will use, but why you need to divide by 1 and multiply by 60, or divide by 1 and multiply by 3,600. Yeah, well, this is the reason. You need to remember that. Yeah, for example, here again 1 degree is 60 minutes. Yeah. When you will convert, you need to remember that you only will work with the decimal part. Only that. Yeah. The integer part, it will be passed equal. It's equal. Yeah. Well, now we need to convert 50 minutes to degrees. Yep. So 50 minutes, yeah, how many degrees are? So you need to use rule of 3, the 3 rule. Yeah, you need to multiply by 1 and divide it by 16. Yeah, so here you need to plus y plus, because when you calculate the conversion, remember you only work with the decimal part. So is add to the integral part. So here 50 times 2 1 divided by 60. Yeah, this is the reason that you need to calculate that conversion. Now, what happened with the seconds? Well, again, you need to remember that 1 degree is 60 minutes. Yeah, and you need to remember that 1 minute are 60 seconds. So when you need to convert seconds to degrees, you need to do two conversions. Yeah, for example here 23 seconds, you need to convert to minutes first. Yeah, again, rule of 3. Yeah, 23 multiplied by 1 and divided by 60. Yeah, is one result that I know x minutes. Yeah, so again you need to multiply by 1 and divide by 60. So if you check that conversion, it is something like that: 1 divided by 60. Yeah, a fraction. So you need to multiply 2 times that. Yeah, so it's a fraction multiplication. 1 times 1 times 1, it's 1. 60 times 60. Yeah, so this is the result. Now to convert the seconds to degrees, plus or add 23 seconds multiplied by 1 divided by 3,600. Yeah, so in that case the result is 12 that 25 63.9 degrees. Yep. So for our conversion, you need to remember that the 60 is the key for the conversion. Yep. You need to remember that, only that. So to convert the sexagesimal notation to the decimal, you need to multiply by the minutes by 1 divided by 16, and the seconds 1 divided by 3,600. Yeah. Okay. And now we will convert the decimal to the sexagesimal notation. Again, I will use Paint. For that, I will use the same value. Why? Because I will check if it is a result, a correct result. Yeah. For example, here this is a decimal notation. I will convert to the sexagesimal notation. Yeah. And again, you need to use a rule of 3. Again, 1 degree are equal to 60 minutes. Yeah. Now, for that conversion, there are again, you will use only the decimal part. Yeah. So here it's equals to 12. Yeah. And you will use that decimal. Yeah. Remember, there are degrees. So here 25, 63, 9 degrees. You need to convert to minutes. To convert that, again, 3 rule, multiply by 60 and divided by 1. But when you divide one value by 1, it's the same value, so it's not necessary to do the last operation. Yeah, you only need to multiply by 16. So here the 25, 63, 9 multiply by 16, okay, is equals to, let me check, 25, 63, 9 multiply by 16, it is 50, 38, 34 minutes. Yeah, so you need to get the result, only the integer result. Yeah, 50 minutes. Okay. Yeah, so we have to convert again only the decimal part. Yeah, 38, 34 multiply by 60. Why? Because when you use again 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. If you will convert 38, 34 minutes to seconds, you need to multiply by 60 and divide by 1. When you divide by 1, it's the same result, so only you need to multiply by 60. So again, 38, 34 multiply by 16, okay, 23,004. Okay, doing that 0.04 seconds. Yeah, again you will only get the number to here. Yeah, 23 seconds. Yeah, if you check here, yeah, 12.2563.9 degrees to the sexagesimal conversion. There are 12 degrees, 50 minutes, 23 seconds. Yeah. Sometimes only with the conversion of seconds, only in the seconds conversion. I don't know, for example, here you maybe get that result, I don't know, 27.99997 seconds. Yeah, you can consider that like 28 seconds. Yeah, because it's very near. Yeah, but only with the seconds, not in the minutes. Yeah. Okay, this is all about that conversions. So you will do the exercise number 3. Yep, we'll do the exercise number 3. In that exercise you need to convert to the specified notation. So in that exercise, the sexagesimal to decimal, yeah, and the decimal to the sexagesimal notation. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 conversions, so there are 14 conversions in total. How you will do that? You will use that that document is named exercise report format. You will answer here all the conversions. For example, you need to fill the blanks first, the name, the unit, and the exercise number. For example, here, if you don't know how to change that, you need to double click on it. Name, I don't know, your name, the unit number 1, the exercise number 3. Yeah, again double click here. Perform the specified notation conversion from sexagesimal to decimal. Yeah, so here you need to use the equation, yeah, in Word. So here we will convert 12 degrees, this is the symbol, 45 minutes. Yeah, you need to do that. 12 plus 45 multiplied by 1 divided by 60. Yeah, the conversion. So you check here, 1 divided by 60 plus 45. Okay, this is the result, 12.75 degrees. Yeah, so you need to do that with the another exercises. Yeah, this I will only explain one for everyone. The second one here, from decimal to sexagesimal. Again, you need to insert equation, and I don't know, remember, when you convert from decimal to sexagesimal, you only will use the decimal part. So the 46.5, I think that size of font is, I don't know, yeah, multiply by 60, and what is the result of that? Dot 46.5 plus, okay, 27.9 minutes. Okay, again you will use an equation, and remember, you will only use the decimal part, 9 by 16. Yeah, 54. So the conversion here is 78 degrees, 27 minutes, 54 minutes. Yep, that's all. So you will do that for all the exercise that you will send me. Bye guys, see you.